Alright, good evening, guys. This is for the Judge Finest PSA10. Thank you very much for taking spots. I appreciate it. Let's go ahead and copy this list. Scroll down. Let's go live. Live at 8:21 p.m. March 5th, Monday night. Let's go to random.org verified. Paste that list. Chris Brown, spot 1, Gerald 2, 3, Nick 4, Gerald 5, Wong Dong 6, Gerald 7, Nick 8, Wong Dong 9, and Chris with spot number 10. Group rules 2 dice, 4 or higher. Randomizing this 8 to 11 to the max, 12. Randomizing this starting at 8:22 on both clocks, as you can see, going 12 times. Good luck, guys. 1. Bobby 2, Nick 3, Chris 4, Gerald 5, Gerald 6, Nick 7, Chris 8, Nick 9, Chris 10, Gerald 11, Nick. So far it's been randomized 11 times. Last and final time at 8:22 p.m. and your winner is Nick Brown with spot number 4. Congratulations. Sorry everybody else. Time now is 8:22 on both clocks. Randomized 12 times per your dice roller with spot number 4 on top. There's your timestamp along with your verification code, which will be posted on the thread as well. Let's come back to Facebook. We're finished. Done at 8:22 p.m. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Check out.